Back to another vlog. Today we are just doing a cozy, comfy Sunday. It is so cold. It is actually like there's some flurries outside. It's like the first day that it's like kind of snowing. So I've been having such a lazy morning. It's 1:30 and I'm just now leaving my house, but that's okay. So what the plan is today is I'm gonna run to TJ Maxx quickly. I'm not trying to spend all day in there, but I want to look for some Christmas decorations. I actually posted a vlog of me decorating for Christmas, so go watch that. But there's still a few things I still need, like some Christmas towels and just maybe some more decor. So I'm gonna go to TJ Maxx. I have a gift card there. Then I am going to I have to go to Aldi. I need like 4 things, which is so annoying, but we're gonna do that. And then I am dying right now. Like I need a coffee. So there is a Dunkin' on the way. So we'll see how busy it is. If not, there's a Starbucks. That's my favorite Starbucks. It's so pretty that we'll stop in there. So it is so like magical down here. Like they just put all of like their Christmas decorations up. Like you can kind of see like some ornaments on the tree up there. But I just got my Starbucks. I love their Christmas cups. This is my first warm drink from them. I love their ice drinks. So I got a grande peppermint mocha, no whip, and they automatically put in like 2% milk. I changed it for oat. I don't know. And this was so expensive. It was only a grande. Obviously a treat because it's not very healthy for you, but I just think it's good. And it just I don't think I've ever had a peppermint mocha. Also, they are like setting up a stage or something. Like half of the parking lot is closed. So I'm wondering if there's something tonight. But this is so good. And I wish it wasn't so good because it was expensive and not very healthy for me. But let's go to TJ Maxx. It was so busy in there. Such a small little Starbucks. But yeah, let's head to TJ Maxx now. And I need this caffeine. I am back home. It is so gross outside. My hair is looking rough. It has started to rain/snow. So I am just ready to be in the house for the rest of the evening. I wanted to go for a walk, but that's not gonna happen. But anyways, let me show you guys what I got at TJ Maxx. It was so hot in there and so busy. Like everyone was there for the Christmas stuff. So I kind of wanted to get like in and out. So I didn't film too much, but let me show you what I got. I'm so excited. First thing is this wreath. It's a little bit dramatic. Has like the white fur, but then like this really pretty decoration at the bottom. It's gonna go on my door. I have like a leaf one on right now. And I don't know, I really liked it also because it had a hook for my doors. I'm really excited about it. It's not something I would normally choose, but I think it's still cute. It's something different and it's not strictly Christmas. That's kind of like what I was going for also. Like, I don't want things that are just screaming Christmas. I'm kind of more like the holidays, or even, I was even considering like just like going for like a winter themed so I could have it up, but I kind of went more for just like the holiday, not like Merry Christmas. I got this beautiful table runner. It is so pretty. It just has like gray and red see there's kind of like a theme going on. My apartment's obviously gray, so I thought this was really cute and again, just festive. There was a lot of stuff like, Merry Christmas, Merry Christmas. I'm like, that is not for me, but I love the little red like outline on it and it's super long. So I thought this would look really, really pretty like on my dining room table. I also got some towels for my kitchen. This is probably the most Christmas thing that I got. This has this really cute Christmas tree and it's like yarn, like it's like a, I don't know, it's just really cute. And I love how it's like tan and then it just came with like a red and tan striped one. A lot of them had 3 or 4 sets. I only needed 2, so I kind of liked this, just something festive and cute. Got these little disposable coffee cups. I got a few that are disposable, they're reusable, but I got them from Dollar Tree and they just like are very general. But these I thought would be really cute because they're disposable and there's 12 cups, lids and sleeves in here, and it just has like little stockings and candy canes and ivy. Like I thought that was super cute. And I can't wait for work tomorrow so I can bring this into the office. I thought that'd be like such a cute, it's weird, the little things that kind of improve your mood. And the rest of the stuff is not Christmas, but it's just stuff that I got. I randomly needed pepper, so I got that. So boring. This was on clearance. It's this Cuisinart, whatever, however it's pronounced, food storage container. It's only $8, but it's glass and it has like this really nice lid. And I made sure it like closed right, so not really sure why it was on clearance. But this was like a really good size for salads for work or any meal for work or just to kind of preserve it in my fridge. So excited about that. And I had so much makeup in my cart and I just put it all back except for this. It's the Becca Shimmering Skin Perfector in the shade Rose Quartz. Now I was thinking this, first the packaging is so freaking cute. I was thinking of this more as a blush topper. I love Becca's packaging. Ooh. And it was just like this really light pink and it has some shimmers in it. I was just kind of, yeah. Ooh, that is pretty. Ooh, okay, it's not as pink as I thought. This would be, I think this would be such a good blush topper to kind of accentuate the highlight and just bring more shimmer and shine to the face. So, and there is a mirror, which is nice. I have the most random grocery haul, but I just wanted to show you guys kind of what I got. First thing is this bag of lemons. I've been loving lemon water, so this will last me a while. I can usually put half of a lemon in a, like a 18-ounce cup, so I love lemon water. I've been drinking that a lot since I've been working from home. Just needed more sour cream. I got 2 Stokes coffee. This is the unsweetened black one. I go through these, like this will last me just this week. So I grabbed more of that, and then I usually like the sugar-free vanilla creamer, but I got the white chocolate peppermint bark. I don't know, it just looks so good, and I had the peppermint mocha, so I was kind of in the mood. Got some Cheez-Its, some jalapeno chips, just to kind of pack as snacks for work. Some bananas, and they are definitely not ready to eat, but these will last me a while. And then I got some eggs because I like to have eggs for breakfast. So that's all I got, really random. I was in and out within 10-15 minutes. just kind of cultivated a vibe in here, put my Christmas tree on, lit a candle, and I've just kind of been sitting here for a little bit. I am starving. I've just realized like I really haven't eaten anything today. It's always weird on Sundays, like I don't eat, not purposefully, just I don't know. So I am going to have some chicken tacos for dinner. I'm really excited about it. So I am just looking on Pinterest for a recipe, specifically like for the chicken. I have some extra taco seasoning and I just kind of want to make a couple, like 2 like little mini tacos or like a burrito or something like that. So I'm just looking at that now. Pinterest is literally my best friend. I am on here all of the time. But yeah, I'm just gonna kind of look on here for an easy, quick, I kind of like this grilled chicken one over here. If you guys ever want to follow my Pinterest, it's always linked down below, but it is just mbarb96. I have so many things on here. I have fall items, nail, Christmas decor, desserts, wall decor. It's just kind of all over the place. I have a lot, so feel free to follow me if you guys want. Or probably my most common one is my dip section. So yeah, but we are going to make some tacos now because I am starving. I look a mess, but I did pick a recipe. It's actually, it's called the schmidtywife.com, SCHMIDTY. I will link it down below, but this is the kind of recipe I'm going to follow. Honestly, it's a lot easier than I thought. I don't know why I thought it would be a lot more difficult, but I am just going to make my tacos now. I'm so excited. I'm so hungry. I just got so hungry. So I'm probably just going to fast forward through all of this, but I will show you guys the finished result. I wish I got a lime because I would make sour cream and lime like a sauce. I'm so mad I didn't think about that at Aldi today, but let's get cooking. Here is my taco. It looks so good. I just put some lettuce, cheese, sour cream, and a little bit of crushed up chips. I'm not a picky eater, but I don't want like tomatoes or anything like that. I don't really have onions or anything here, but it's my finished taco and I actually have a little bit left to make a second one. So I'm gonna enjoy this. It looks so delicious. We are back in the kitchen. My dinner was so good. I just edited a video that's already up. It is me decorating for Christmas, so go check that one out. And I have been in the mood to bake like cookies or something. I think it's just like this time of year like makes you want to bake. So I've been getting HelloFresh actually for probably like 2 months now, and I actually got a coupon through them, like $5 coupon because I've gotten so many boxes from them or whatever it is. So I had the opportunity to get Annie's organic chocolate chip cookies. So I'm going to make these. Annie's also has like the mac and cheese that is so good. So I mean, it's still cookies. It's not good for you. I'm probably gonna bring them into work, but they are a little bit better than a traditional like Toll House cookie. So they're just frozen, so we're gonna bake these. I can't remember the last time I baked, so yeah, I already preheated my oven to 350. This might as well have been a cooking video, seriously, but here they are. Yum! Cookies are done. Cookies are done. Yay! So excited. I'm gonna do a taste test. I only cooked them for 12 minutes. But because I wanted them soft in the middle, hard on the outside. I am going to end this Sunday vlog off here. Thank you guys so much for watching. I've had such like a relaxing, great Sunday, and I'm ready to get this week started. So I hope you guys are doing well, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.